Hi, my name's Stephen O'Sullivan. I'm a business coach. My company is Growth Workshop Business Coaching, and I've been working with Melotti Media for probably a year now. I get the team at Melotti to write my monthly blogs, which I put which go on my website. I get 4 done every month, just want to talk a little bit about the value of that to me. So I've had copywriting services before, and it's every time I've got the copy back, I've had to think about it, edit it, and I end up, not really being happy with it, and I'm doing too much work myself. Now the thing with Melotti Media is it's almost zero editing. In fact, the last 6 months I haven't done any, and the process that they have, they're able to produce the content, my ideas, my IP, the things I want to get across to my audience in my own voice, in a way that I could never have written it. Because if I was to write it, it just wouldn't come out of that. So it's like I keep reading and go, yeah, that sounds like me, but I couldn't produce that. And I think the other thing around their process, so we have a regular meeting, I come with my ideas, Chris is able to extract those ideas out, and then the blogs come back. I just wouldn't be able to do that. I wouldn't prioritize it myself to get that done. So we have a regular meeting. My time commitment is 45 minutes to an hour, a little bit of prep, and I get back 4 great blogs every month. Now, the effect is that I get them, I'm regular with them, I put them on my website, I get to share them across all of the socials, I get to turn them into videos that I make, I use them with my clients, so if someone's asking about a cash flow thing, yep, I have a blog there ready to go, read this. So it's a very leveraged activity for me. The biggest impact, I think, from a return on investment perspective is, I think when I started with Melotti, I was, business coach Sydney, I'd rank top of page 2, somewhere there. Now I'm consistently number 2, sometimes number 1 for some suburbs. I haven't done anything else but add blogs. So thank you, Chris and Melotti and the team at Melotti Media. If anyone's thinking about using them, go for it. They're amazing.